Hey guys, now let's talk about aliasing, where we can actually create our own commands and store it into a variable. Let's say we're feeling lazy and want a way to navigate to another directory and then open a file. Rather than using cd to move to that folder and then opening with vim, we can shorten these two commands into one through aliasing. Before we choose a variable name to alias, we must make sure that the command is not already taken. Let's see if the command shortcut has any function by typing type shortcut. Alright, cool. So it's not found, which means we can actually use it to alias. Great. Now let's attach our commands to this variable. And remember, if we're going to cd to anything, we want to use an absolute path name so that we can navigate to this directory from anywhere. Remember that relative path names only work if you're in correct folders. So we can type alias and then shortcut equals, and then we want the quotation mark, cd, and then we want to type in our absolute path name to the folder we want to get to. Make sure you don't make any mistakes. So after that, we can separate commands with a semicolon. And then we can open this test file that we have in directory 2 with vim. So just close that. And now we could use the alias shortcut to move into that directory and then open that text file. So let's try that. Cool, so we're now in this text file, and we can also quit it, and then we're already in this directory too. Now this shortcut will exist in your current session, but it'll disappear after you close your session. To make it last every time you boot up, you have to place your alias in the home/.bash profile. So in order to do that, we type vim and then we go home/bash profile, and then we want to go all the way to the bottom where we put in our aliases, and we have to type in alias shortcut equals all that. So you guys can try that on your own. Cool. So alias is very powerful and can save you loads of time. Just remember to check that the command isn't already in use. Additionally, to unalias a command, you want to use the unalias command. Try aliasing a command on your own and placing it into your home/bash profile.